nti baba we sente no. The biggest role of government okuteeka we enabling environment abantu mubalina okolera mu businesses daimwe abantu bo operatingiremu abantu babe ni peace. But for example esente de tuli kuwa defense actually twajira obonanga we are not serious as a country. Twabuza CDF twabuziza hii CDF General Muhoozi Kainerugaba, the next president to come after Museveni. Twamubuziza tutibana mube serious. This is the budget of defense. Defense
the next president.
Defense, yes.
Okay.
Kubanga Uganda is a it was we are comparing the budget of defense with Kenya, with Egypt, with just in Africa. To account you people, you're not serious. Every time we are being attacked by terrorists, oli twamubuza nti dinesente dino nganediriwo so iwe kuti mukulu muwanguzi bwaveno nakoba kuba this was a proposal wakati budget tejja kuyamba abantu. You need security. Esa wadino government ya Museveni netairewo embere enungi nti buti muwanguzi alina okwida ku radio ayogera ebigambo ebibi ku Museveni ni government ye ayavuga emotoka ye aire yena mwendwa ajja alima ebikado ajja alambula amasomero gali nago ajja alambula emotoka daguze ngezira amugemyeko. That's why you need that security.
Afune sente Dr. Mukalu.
So budget yeno aida amale yesimbe wo aida amala abe ni ku radio kunakati oidi president waife bamulondera yabita era balo bamulanga kumulembe gwa miningo solo kuida wano akoti president chago. There was only one president in Uganda. So butimperano budget yeno bwena abe bisetemala we have a very big disadvantage nti ba homosexuals abali batu obuyambe they withdrew their support. All homosexuals era kyovobo nabina makerenda gano okulu okuida kamba we information immediately bwe twabisayiteeka lya homosexuality we pa kubaidukira nti budget yaife eyamadwaliro amakerenda nachi twabaire to dependingira ku external support. Ati anensi gino kaseta bitiyiteeka giti pa nga gitola esente gyabugirya. So twabaire tulina okumobilizing esente era no supplementary je twabititi mwabaire okusupportinga ekitongole kine kigaba makerenda National Drug Authority kiboneke nti kireta makerenda gakoleki gaize kyova the last 4 months amakerenda gabet gaiza because we experienced that shortfall.
Okay.
So nolwekyo ekisembayo nenda okwebaza chairman akobye nti this is a very big concern. District eja yasoloza $1 million inkaga ai district ne keeping a sente dino URA sente dino badisindika mu consolidated fund diriment immediately okwira mu district dikole emirimu. If we are sharing the pain that you also going through era wabona kulule twabisa resolution in parliament nga tulikulagira minister of finance nti districts mudireke dispending their money at source. Now lwachi ekiteso kya parliament kyabitamu waliwo contradictions mu mateeka gabisibu. Waliwo iteeka eryateekebwawo the Public Finance and Management Act element okujja mu consolidated fund litoleyo sente kabiri eryo likugira irala esente okuboneka ndi diva muki mu consolidated fund. So kyovobona kyetuli kuiraku I think after this budget need no bills that we rationalizing we want to amend now the Public Finance and Management Act eri kulemesa districts okuspending a cent at what? At source. So it is really a huge debate kino ndikirizaganya niwe ayenga tulikujachira ku we want to amend this act mboneke nti obusente obutono bwe musoloiza mubukozese bukole emirimo demulikola kubanga again shouldn't be the same government suffocating you. I wakuba nti these contradicting laws ai act eno yatekebwawo kisambe kyaife oidi muwanguzi abaira jakundi da yatekebwawo ira ife twajagainewo lastly emisala daba cows oli mutufu kubanga
how do they survive 1.5
inconsistencies died out nebine ebintu ebibaire biri kuleeta a lot of even corruption in districts ntika wati amaya ka contractor ati ngatomba ile sente tija kusaininga kintu kyokubiri
kawo wa kigulu amuta amarata ngali kolera kakekala
so butimpera no kyetu wakoze twatairewo salary review commission era twamaze oji wa sente eri kujja ku reviewing salaries dona need no entities that tuli ku rationalizing tuli kwenda tuvoyo with one salary structure era twaba waire by September ebenge woire to tell that one salary structure
next year bya ko implement
kubanga rationalization kya tuyambye nto bayiro nanti ED wa forest authority or any other agency abairafu na milioni 2 they have the same qualifications no so ebyo ne bintu bye tuli kwenda okutolawo we have the same qualifications iwe lwacho olifuna milioni 2 ayenze engineer wa district ndi kumba ile mfuno obukaire bumeka bubiri ekyo kyona kyona tukitereze across the board so eyo gundi twagitairewo which I think in my own wisdom is going to address all those inconsistencies edivaire muki salaries
kale webalaino honorable Sanoni ndikwenda kuba bantu yongerayo ensonga yo kubiri sebo honorable batwala ndikwenda kutandika ni emende omuwanguzi
no ngatukalija konsonga
okwenda dakika ndala
oba ibiri donka
koire ndala
mpa ibiri kubanga butindi wagati wa abantu babiri abogerera ekintu ekira so
we came here as independent panelists
fine
basada bakulwa balina emitwe jeibwe
no it's fine
atenga batwala andi akubera lwaki tosimanga ku
begano Mwami Grace
sebo
tienda honorable Sanoni alowozesa abantu nti ndi against okwongeza emisaala egy'abakozi baife
oba oli kumobilizing abantu babande bebongeiza
point yange baire very clear era ni message yaife gye twatambulirako nga tuli kuba campaign mu 2021 era tukagiriku
eyo kuongeza sente
a government that works for all not a few a government that works for all not a few
masuza wa serikali kakaire
that is our message we are saying we cannot be a salary nation we need to be a service nation ebintu ebyo biri byanda ulo
not salary nation service nation
bo ulira submissions da honorable Sanoni dirino ku salaries twatairawo ni salary commission ni obasa bila byo ulira byayikoba emisala mirungi aye nga president wange bwatero
government ye jatolawe emisala
nga president wange bwatero okoba ndiye kisera kijatuuka nga abaavu bazira kyakulya nga basigaize ekyokulya kiti bagayiga
iwe mwoli kuba yoli mbagayiga
ate ndi mugayiga ki nze tiri mugayiga katerege makoka katulowooze kali tolowokeza nendo obwongo bw'obufulumya mu studio wano Grace obutwala emakoka katerega
imwa muli mwana muna bagayiga mbaidi
anti butifulumya obwongo bwo wano obutwale emakoka mwami katerega aliwuliriza ngali nti bayongeiza abantu omusalo obukaire buna butanu omuntu yaba kumuzindala yakoba ati edagala libaire lirwire okwira esente yakoba ati babaire mu budget committee CDF nga bali mu koba ati ndine sente ntono de wasabye ntono government yekoba anti ezira sente
so
government yekoba
omukugu mu byokwerinda babe kumwidusa
bayongeze government yekoba anti ezira sente dimala aye bwe kituuka kukweyongeza emisaala sente edo dikolachi diboneka and Noop constantly bayirekoba abantu nti it's not that Uganda is poor Uganda tituli baavu aye banaife abagemye ensako ya Uganda bazira priorities bakozesa bubi esente ba kiringa kidomolo kyota kutapu nga kirina ebituli nga amaadi gali jamwa enga kiriku ebituli bingi ebifulumya amaadi era mu alternative budget ya ifenga opposition nga national interplatform twakoba tuti waliwo ebintu bingi nga tukali kulowooza kukwiduzawo tuli kwebuuza bye twiduzaawo biti amammo byatereera mu mwe tuli kwiduza era Joel Senyonyi honorable leader of opposition yakobera abantu nti parliament ya Uganda tine ekitongole ekikuba toki n'okulambula omesende y'omwe w'omusolo kayi kiri kubonekeranga ino mubali kugubula n'okukozesa obubi esente d'omwe w'omusolo era mu kimu bano batera otukoba ati tulira ino twaddema akobera bantu kiki tujja akola mu bintu bye tukoba nti tulijja kukola is to cut public expenditure okukendeeza ensansaanya kitusobozese okuboostinga earningiza ife tulikoba nti esente edibulira awo nga bulola former commissioner oyo Bulola Mwidi ali akutolera yensansaanya ya speaker mukama wa
yatandise resistance within resistance.
Yes, yatandise resistance within resistance ngali kulaga ensansaanya y'abanaife ba Sanoni nti erigangulu ino
ai Bulola we NRM
nti lekangukobere mwami Grace ife tukoba mu NUP nti omuntu ni bwaba mu yero ngaye byakola biwagira muntu wa wansi abantu abangi mona ifwe omuntu ni bwaba mu kamyufu nga ye yambaza bereti aye nga byakola biwagira ba Sanoni okutunigirize ino oyo timu na ifwe abagabale so wenkobera antya titusobola kuba salale nation mwogeire ku Makerendo okulwawo mbu myezi ena code cycle imeke ditakoze aye naabuuza ekibuuzo kyange nkiwandiise ni wano nti eidagala nga lirwirewo okuida